way to read more books. Okay, very good. Now, so when we have good choices, so for example, the title is Read More Books, the image that we can use are books and child who is reading, and yung colors na pwede nating gamitin are bright and readable. Po, huwag tayo masyadong gumamit. Siyempre, since students yung audience natin, so mas bata sila, so pwedeng mga bright colors. Okay, avoid using dark colors kasi ah mas malungkot tingnan kapag dark yung color and sa mga bata. So, ang appropriate sa mga students are bright colors and readable text and designs. Okay po. So, let us try another example. Uh, Saving water. Okay, all parts should support one clear purpose. Our topic is saving water. Now, can you think of an audience that we can share our topic? When we say audience, okay, community, everybody, school, students. When we say people, sinong specific people? Oh, that we need to be specific. For example, community, neighborhood, young students, very good.